Aryan sat on the edge of his wooden bench, staring at the tiny brown pot on his windowsill. Inside it, buried beneath the soil, was a single bamboo seed, a gift from an old monk he had met in the Himalayas 6 months ago. Water it every day, and it will teach you the secret to greatness, the monk had whispered. Aryan had done just that. For weeks, he woke up at dawn, poured water gently into the pot, and whispered words of encouragement to the silent seed. Days turned into months. But nothing happened. Not even a sprout. Frustration set in. Doubt crept into his mind like a shadow. Was the seed even real? Had the monk fooled him? One morning, after 5 months of patience wearing thin, Aryan's friend Kunal visited. Still watering that empty pot. Kunal laughed. You should have seen something by now. Maybe you were tricked. That night, Aryan sat staring at the lifeless soil, tempted to throw the pot away. But deep inside, a voice urged him to continue. So he did. Then, one morning, 6 months to the day, he saw it. A tiny green shoot, pushing through the soil like a miracle. Within days, it grew taller. Within weeks, it shot up several feet. Astonished, Aryan returned to the mountains to find the monk. Why did it take so long? He asked. The old monk smiled. The bamboo spends months growing roots before it dares to rise. While you saw nothing, it was preparing itself underground, building strength, depth, and resilience. Then, when the time was right, it grew faster than anything around it. Aryan finally understood. Life, success, wisdom, everything valuable follows the bamboo's way. Growth is not always visible, but patience ensures its strength. That day, Aryan stopped doubting. He embraced patience as his greatest ally.